Top 5 happiness idioms. Number 1, I feel on top of the world. It means to be extremely happy, satisfied, or successful. Here's an example. When I got the job offer from my dream company, I felt on top of the world. I was extremely happy. Number 2, I am on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9. It's like the highest form you can ever be. It means that to be in a total state of happiness or bliss. An example is she's been on cloud 9 since her engagement was announced. Wow. She's been on cloud 9. That's beautiful. Number 3 is I am over the moon. It means to be extremely pleased or happy. Remember, we're talking about happiness here. One example is I was over the moon when I heard I passed my exam. I was over the moon when I heard I passed my exam. I was over the moon. I was extremely happy. Number 4, I am in seventh heaven. I am in seventh heaven. And what does that mean? It means to be in a state of happiness. Everything is about happiness right here. An example is when he met his favorite actor, he was in seventh heaven. Number 5, it makes your day or it makes my day. It means when something happens that makes you happy. And here is an example. Thank you. Your kind words really made my day. Thank you. What you have done for me really made my day. Oh, thank you. You have really made my day, which means you have made me happy. Write in the comment section if you want more idioms like this. I'll always be here to give you more. Thanks and see you later. Goodbye.